Where can I find K-drama ratings? There are several websites where you can find ratings for K-dramas, such as Nielsen, Dom, and Naver. However, in this video, we will introduce you to the easiest and best way to find them. By using the Naver site, you can easily check the ratings of dramas that are currently on air, as well as those that have finished broadcasting. First, go to naver.com. Then, enter the word drama into the search box and click on the search icon. To translate this page into English, right-click and select Translate to English from the options. We use this feature for all steps of this tutorial. In this section, you will find options for broadcasting schedules, on-air, and finished dramas. First, we will explain how to view the ratings of on-air dramas. Now select the drama. If it's not on the first page, go to other pages at the bottom. For example, now you should find the ratings section from the top menu. First, click on the More icon and then select the ratings option. Now in this section you can see the rating of the aired episodes of this drama. It is also possible to view the highest rating and the latest rating. Now, go back to the first page to view ratings for finished dramas. Now click on the End of Broadcast section. On the first page of this section, you can see recently finished dramas. To watch older dramas, you must select the year they were broadcasted. For example, choose that drama you want. If it's not on the current page, navigate to other pages at the bottom. For example, let's check the rating of run-on drama. Now the other steps are the same as the previous steps. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to be notified of future uploads.